Little Early English Education.
Whoa! Look at this royal character! Hello, super learners! Welcome back! Today, we are going to draw and color Numberblock 300. Did you know Numberblock 300 is made of 3 groups of 100? 100, 200, 300. A royal 300. Let's start drawing. First, draw one tall rectangle for the main body. Now inside the rectangle, draw 2 horizontal lines. These divide our body into 3 sections. 3 sections for 300. Now draw 10 vertical lines going down. 1,
1 to 10, let the color start again. 11, 12, 13, 14, every block becomes a friend.
5, 6,
Let's start a brand new picture. Take your pencil nice and light.
7,
Make a shape, make a block, make the lines all clean and right. Every number starts as shapes, little boxes
9,
side by side. Drawing number blocks together is...
Now draw 30 horizontal lines going across. Let's count in tens.
Color gently, nice and slow. Fill the paper bright and true. Red and yellow, green and blue. Every shade and every hue. Inside the lines we color neat. Smooth and soft without a rush. Drawing number blocks with joy is a magic we can never crush. Counting higher, counting lower, up and down and back again. Every number tells a story, 1 to 10 and 10 to 10. We can color while we learn. We can learn while we
20.
create. Number blocks are friendly friends, and learning always feels so great. Coloring top to bottom every tiny square.
Now let's count our blocks. 100, 200, 300. 300 blocks. Now let's draw the face. Numberblock 300 has round eye with so royal. Draw the left eye. Now the right eye. Add the eye details, the pupils. Royal eyes that see everything. Now draw the happy mouth. A big royal smile. Now draw the hands on both sides. Now draw the legs at the bottom. Now draw 3 circles down the body. And now the royal crown. Draw the crown at the very top. Crown base, then 3 points going up. And finally, at the very top, write the number. 300. 300. Our drawing is complete. Hello, everyone. I am Numberblock 300. I wear a crown because I am royalty. Coloring time! First, pick up the black color. Spell black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Color the eyes black. And inside the mouth area, black too. Sharp royal eyes and mouth. Now pick up orange. Spell orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Color the eye outlines orange.
Is unique and not the same. We can draw again tomorrow. We can color every day. Number blocks will always join us as we learn and as we play.
Now pick up red. Bold, bright red. Spell red. R-E-D. Red. Color the crown red. A royal red crown. Color the smile red. Color the hands red. Color the legs red.
Every new number is on cars. Ready, steady, here we go. Grab your colors, start the show. Draw it fast, draw it right. Number blocks are in our sight. Box by box, build it up. Stack them tall, fill
And the 3 buttons red too. 1, 2, 3, all red.
Blue goes super fast, yellow pops, green goes bright. Fill the page with pure delight. Go, 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 go.
And now the grand final color. Pick up yellow, bright royal yellow. Spell yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Color the whole body yellow. Every single one of those 300 blocks yellow.
Long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blocks are moving, feel alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go up and start again. More blocks, more fun. Higher numbers, number run. Spin the colors, tap the beat. Drawing time is super sweet. Fast and fun and full of cheer. Number blocks are dancing here. Up, down, down, side to side. Up, down, side to side. Color races, take the ride. Fill it quick, fill it clean. Brightest picture ever seen. Big reveal, here it comes. Look what we made. Awesome fun. Smile wide, jump around. Number blocks are shining now. Draw it, color it, count it through. Fast and fun, just me and you. Numbers, colors, art and play. Let's do number blocks every day.
100 blocks, yellow. 200, 300, done. And the 3 crown balls, yellow too. Left ball, middle ball, right ball, all yellow. And done.
Drawing lines and little boxes brings the numbers near. Draw a square and add another, build them one by one. Stack them tall or wide across, learning has begun. Lines are straight and corners neat, take your time and see.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.